How to delete Bigo account permanently? First of all, you need to launch your Bigo Live application and go to Me section at bottom right corner of the screen. Now select the gear icon at top right corner to access the settings page of Bigo Live. At top, you will see Account Management. Select that. Now, you need to wait for a while until every information gets loaded on the section. When you scroll at the bottom, you will see Account Ownership. So at the bottom line, you will see Delete Account link. Select that. Now here, you need to first have the safety verification. So let's select Next button. So here, enter your password and then tap on the Next button. Now you are here on your account deletion page where you have to meet the following condition at the same time to delete the current account. That is, make sure your account is safe, your account has no large unconsumed or unwithdrawn property, not official operating account, no appeals or business dispute. Once all the criteria are met, select Confirm and Continue button. Go through all of this terms and conditions and then check mark the box. Tap Delete Account. And to confirm, select Delete Account button. And your account has been deleted successfully. So that is how we delete our Bigo Live account permanently. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.